Welcome back, my friends. We're continuing our playthrough of Heavy Rain. Let's see what happens next. So now we see exactly how far Ethan is willing to go to save his son. Okay.
I should go talk to the garage guy over there. The parking lot ticket and the origami figure leads to this garage. What am I gonna find here? Can't stop thinking about that well. Sean seemed exhausted, but at least he's alive. I'll do anything to get him out of there. Excuse me?
Hey! Oh! Sorry. Didn't see you. What can I do you for?
I'd like to get my car.
So this challenge is the
Hey, you're a pretty patient guy, you are. That car's been there for
before?
2 years.
Don't remember
We
it.
took it out for a drive every month and checked the tires and batteries, just like you said. Here, it's the 3rd floor down. The service elevator
Thanks.
is at the far end of the garage. Now, you have yourself a good one, Chief.
3rd floor down. Okay, so I think I remember this particular challenge. It's a bit of a doozy. But tame compared to the other one I remember. Alright, down there. Just because it's so much fun. Really? Alright, what have we got?
Your destination is 4 miles from here. Leave the parking lot and take the first right.
Okay. Nice looking car. Like that Sebring or something like that.
Take a left at the next intersection. Keep to the right and take the first exit.
Okay. So what do we have to do? So let's wait for the game to load. Yeah, I definitely remember this one.
have reached your destination. Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son? Listen carefully. Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles. If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
I can do it. I'd do anything to save my son. I don't want to die. Not here. Not like this. Can't stop my hands shaking. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it.
I'd be fucking terrified too.
If I succeed, I'll get more letters for the hangman. It's my only lead. No turning back now. I've got to do it, for Sean's sake. I have no choice.
Remember. I'm not looking forward to this.
Come on!
Okay.
Whoa! I can do this. Come on.
You still have 4 miles to go before you reach your destination.
Move! Get out of the way! Oh, come on!
You still have 3 miles to go before you reach your destination.
Go!
You still have 2 miles to go before you reach your destination.
Come on! Move out of the goddamn way! Move out of the way! Come on!
You still have 1 mile to go before you reach your destination.
That pops up. Of course they are.
Go! Fuck! Fuck. No. God!
Get it?
Go! Fuck!
Destination reached. Please press the screen. 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 Your reward is in the glove compartment. The key is inside the GPS. Your reward is in the glove compartment.
Damn, wasn't that a ride? Boom. I'm glad you made it out of there alive, Ethan. I really am. Oh, back to her. Cool. I don't remember what her role in the whole thing is. So that'll be nice to know. Nice bike. Maybe she's a friend of Ethan's?
The reception. Let's hope they've got a room left. The reception.
The atmosphere here is
Let's
one
hope
of
they've got a room
concern,
left.
as there is still no news
I'm
of
worn
10-year-old
out.
Sean Mars, who
gotta
disappeared
sleep.
yesterday. A recent report indicates that the police are now treating this as another kidnapping by the Origami Killer. If this information is confirmed, he may still be alive, as the previous victims were all killed 3 to 5 days after their abduction. Obviously, time is running out fast for the investigators trying to find the child. I'm Michael Nettie for ICN.
Oh yes, you're a Kramer.
Hello there, sweetheart. What can I do for you?
I'd like a room.
For you? Anything. Feeling the register.
Oh my god. Dude, you're so slimy, it's disgusting.
Madison, page 27. Single. How long will you be staying with us, Ms. Page?
I don't know yet.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right in the courtyard.
Thanks.
The pleasure was all mine.
Oh,
That's for sure.
yeah, no kidding.
Room 201. Stairs on the right, last floor. That obnoxious receptionist better not have a spare key to my room.
Yeah, no
The
kidding.
thought of it leaves me in a cold sweat.
Blame you.
Room 201. Stairs on the right, last floor.
Where is it? Get back up there. Seven, 5. Ethan.
Sir? Are you all right? I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
You're badly hurt. You need a doctor.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
Oh, there's some broken ribs there, Ethan.
Have you got the key? He's in trouble. I can't just walk away and leave him like that. Look, it's none of my business. I'll just leave him there and tell the receptionist. You're really in bad shape. You should see a doctor.
Sit down, lady.
Must have one, maybe two broken ribs. It's not fatal. But it's sore as hell.
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep. I should disinfect his cuts. I'll help him first and ask questions later. Medicine. There's bound to be a medicine cabinet in the bathroom. Necophren 100 antibiotics, administered to combat infection. I should disinfect his cuts. I'm gonna disinfect your wound. This might hurt a little.
Just a bit.
There. At least it won't get infected.
Thanks.
Paracetamol painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain. Do not take more than 1 pill every 24 hours.
Sounds like a fairly heavy narcotic.
Here. Take this. It should do you some
What is
good.
it?
It's a painkiller. It'll help reduce the pain. It says on the box to take 1 every 24 hours. I don't think it's a good idea to exceed the dose.
I can't afford to wait.
I wouldn't move around for a few days if I were you.
I'm gonna take a shower.
All right, let me help you. I'll wait here until you come out. Let me know if you need anything.
Oh, you're just trying to get a peek at him. And why not?
Talk to me. That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
Madison.
Are you staying in the hotel?
No, I live in town. I suffer from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why. Whenever I get too exhausted, I come and spend a night here.
I'm just passing through. And what else do you do, Madison? Apart from fixing up strangers.
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
Why are you showering with your boxers on?
Thanks for staying. I feel a lot better now.
Okay. I better get going then. By the way, you never told me your name.
Ethan.
Be careful, Ethan.
The box. I have to open another origami figure. I don't know why she helped me. I hope she won't tell anyone. I'm still in pain, but I gotta keep going. Man, I'm thirsty. I don't have much time. I've gotta find my son before it's too late.
Well, if you're thirsty, you can get you some water. Hopefully that's not alcohol. No, it's water. Good. Alright, what's the next challenge? Little power plant on Embarcadero Street. Back to Mr. FBI Man.
Why didn't you shoot?
Sorry?
Well, back there. Nathaniel could have had a gun. Could have killed me. Why didn't you shoot?
I prefer to have all the information before I make a decision. I try to make rational choices when possible.
Oh,
come on, you had a fraction of a second to react. You could have whacked me before you had time to move.
I'm sorry. I thought you were a tough guy, a street cop who's been through the mill. I didn't think you'd scare so easily.
Why don't you fuck off, Norman?
That's him.
Miroslav Korda?
Yeah?
Lieutenant Carter Blake, I'd like to ask you some questions.
Slick.
Shit, don't just stand there. He's gonna get away. Ah! Hey, man, watch it, dude.
Shit. God damn it. I'm sorry, Jaden.
Hey, watch it, man! Whoa!
I'm sorry.
Whoa! Hey, man, watch it! Hey, man, what's your problem?
Chickens.
Damn place is freezing. My hands are numb. Shit! Where'd he go? I can't see anything here. Come on. Show your ugly bastard face.
What wants to say?
Where the fuck is Blake? No way he's escaping. I'm gonna get that bastard.
Stay down. Who the fuck are you?
This time it looks like we got our Origami Killer.
Oh. 2.2 inches.
No.
All the newspapers are talking about Sean Mars, the kid who disappeared. I've seen the parents of all the victims, and all I've come up with is this telephone and a box of origami figures. Can't breathe with this goddamn humidity. Hope it stops raining soon. I needed the rest. I haven't been sleeping well since the murder started up again.
No, you don't need a drink. Little office. Tomato juice. Good stuff. Okay, give me a... Go. Oh, my bedroom. Guessing Dad was a cop. Ring, ring. Hello?
You said I could contact you if I remembered anything. Can I come in?
Sure. Let me take your coat. You want a drink?
Yes, glass of water, please.
Take a seat, I'll get it.
Very polite.
Thanks.
No problem.
I just remembered something. Maybe it's not important, but a letter arrived in the mail the morning Johnny disappeared.
A letter? What kind of a letter?
It was addressed to Johnny's father. I don't know what was inside it, but he read it and then he left. That's the last time I saw him.
And you think there's a connection between that letter and Johnny's death, is that it? You remember anything else about the letter?
Well, I don't know why, but I kept the envelope.
It was mailed in the Carnaby district, the day before Johnny disappeared. Nothing particular, except the address.
The address?
It was typed with an old typewriter. Could be a lead, you never know. Well, thanks for your help, Lauren. I'll let you know if it leads to anything.
Wait, I can't just sit around and do nothing while you're out there looking for the man who killed my son. Ever since you came around, I've been thinking, and I want to come with you. Help you in your investigation?
There's nothing you can do to help, Lauren. It's not a good idea. Believe me.
If you won't let me help you, I'm keeping the envelope. It's all or nothing.
Listen, an investigation like this is dangerous, and I don't have time to play the bodyguard.
How many clues have you got, Mr. Shelby? This envelope may be your only link to the killer. I understand. It was a stupid idea. Sorry for wasting your time, Mr. Shelby.
Wait. You're really something special, Lauren. I'll give you that.
I'm just a mother. A mother who wants to find out who killed her son. Are we partners?
We're partners.
Still playing Shelby. That's cool. Cool. Okay.
Maybe you better stay in the car.
We're partners, remember? Wherever you go, I go. So what are we doing here?
We come to see Gordy Kramer.
Kramer? The bigwig tycoon from Kramer Construction?
No, his son.
You think maybe he's the Origami Killer?
For now, I just have a few questions that need answers. Stupid to bring Lauren. I don't do partners too well. All that just to get my hands on that stupid envelope. The security guard earned his payoff. Seems there really is a party going on tonight. Security all over the place. I would say Gordy's just a little bit paranoid.
Maybe.
joint. Kramer must be loaded. What do you think he paid for all this shiny crap?
We'll discuss Kramer's decor another time.
Are we gonna be here long? This place gives me the creeps.
I'm gonna go find Gordy Kramer. You stay here till I come back. Okay?
Okay. Just let me know if you need me.
Okay. Gotta find Gordy Kramer. Well, I'm here. Might as well have a drink. Okay. Gotta find Gordy Kramer. Don't know why they have that goddamn music so loud. Can't hear myself thinking here. Hey. Good looking girl. Keep your mind on the job, Scotty. Okay. Gotta find Gordy Kramer. Booze, babes, and coke. Gordy Kramer seems to be quite the party animal. Not gonna be easy to find Gordy behind that big wall of paid gorillas.
Hi! Great party, huh? Hi! Ian, you here? I haven't seen you before. Well, let's get better acquainted, pal. Oh, you're my kind of guy. I like you. My friend. I like you.
Maybe this job does have its perks. Now I got me a new friend.
That was amusing. Good hits.
Have you seen Gordy? Sorry, no.
And not thinking.
Hey, man. Do you think you could help me out? Do I look like a dealer? Get out of here! Hi, I'm Scott. Music's a little loud, isn't it?
Where the fuck is this guy?
Haven't seen Lauren for a while. Better see what she's up to.
Where?
Hi, I'd like to see Gordy.
Gordy hasn't seen anyone. Beat it.
Look, you just tell him that Scott Shelby wants to speak to him. Okay?
You're starting to piss me off, man. Now beat it before I get angry.
If I want to see Gordy Kramer, I'm gonna have to go about it some other way.
And how?
Whoa. You see that guy over there? Oh. Do you know what he said about you? What'd he say? The bastard! I'll sort him out! You motherfucker! Were you talking about my mother, you big monkey in a cheap suit? You're thinking, oh, you think you're a big man. I'm a bigger man. You just know. Hey. Ooh, monkey. I'm talking to you, you big ape. What are you saying about my mother? You get violent with me, my little friend. And do you know who I am?
That's hilarious.
Mr. Kramer?
Shh! This is the best part.
What the fuck are you watching?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the Origami Killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Yes, turn off the idiot box.
I'd like to know exactly what happened to little Joseph Brown.
Beat it! You hear me? Get the hell out of here! What do you want?
A witness saw little Joseph Brown get in the back of your limousine. That was the last time anybody ever saw him. Now, I know you've been arrested and interrogated until your father made a little phone call and the file was closed. I'd like to hear your version of the facts.
The kid was lost. I just offered to drive him home. The police arrived, I explained the misunderstanding, and I was released. End of story. Nothing to get excited about, right?
I don't know why, but your story just doesn't check out. You're giving me the crap now. Tell me something I can't believe.
Very well. I'm the Origami Killer. I get my victims into my car. I drown them in rainwater. Then I dump them on a wasteland with an origami figure in one hand and an orchid on their chest. I do that because I'm bored, Mr. Shelby. And it's a creative and entertaining way of having fun. Is that good enough for you? Or do you want more? This interview is over. Get rid of this clown! Yeah.
It's a dangerous game you're playing, Kramer.
Do you know who my father is? He only has to lift one finger and you won't wake up tomorrow morning. You're the one that should be afraid, Mr. Shelby. Not
Please
me.
punch him in the face. Aw. Okay, back to Ethan. Yeah, okay. So we're going to leave it there. I hope you're enjoying it. Next episode, we can see what Ethan's next challenge is. So until next time, my friends, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.